A very good morning to all my students. Today we are going to start a new chapter from our supplementary book Footprints Without Feet. The first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. Before starting the summary of the chapter or the theme and settings and all, I will give you a short description of the author. Here, James Herriot is a veterinary actually and a writer as well. Actually, he was a British veterinary surgeon. Okay, and he was born in Sunderland, England, on 3rd October 1916. He had written many books as well, many stories. Among them, All Creatures Great and Small, then Dog Stories, then It Should Not Happen to Vet, All Things Bright and Beautiful. These are some of the stories he had written. And as a vet, he started his career in the year of 1940. Okay, so being a vet, he was a writer as well, a very good writer. And this chapter which we are going to start, he had written it. He is the only narrator. And the surgeon or the doctor we are going to talk about, he is the only one. With the same name, James Herriot. He was died in the year of 1995 on 23rd February. Okay, this is a small description about the author. And as I have told you, before starting any poem or any prose, you should know about the author or the poet, to know the setting, to know the place, to know the style, to know the text in better way. Alright, this was all about our author today. Now we will be starting our summary of the chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, okay, by James Herriot. Actually, this is a story about a very small dog who was obese and overloved, overfed by his mistress. Okay, and the dog became very, very much ill because of the overlove and overfood. Then, when the mistress met with the surgeon or the doctor, vet, he suggested exercises and less food to get his to get him back a better condition of health. So we will start today, and how the doctor rescued the life of the small dog. We will get to know about it. Okay, the main characters here are James Herriot. He is a veterinary, as I have already said, and Mrs. Pumphrey, the mistress of the story and the owner of the dog, and Tricky, he was the dog. And there were a few characters, the maid servants and manservants of the house of Mrs. Pumphrey's house. These are characters, main characters. And then the setting of the story is in the house of the mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, and in the house of the doctor. And what is the story about? Actually, Tiki is a very small dog. He has been overfed and overloved, overpampered by a rich mistress, as I said. And for all this overlove and overfood and everything, he became very, very ill. Okay, but ultimately, with the help of the doctor, the dog was rescued and get a better life. The theme of the story. What is the theme of the story? Too much love, too much affection, too much pamper can harm anything, can harm human beings as well as animals. This is the theme of the story. So, too much indulgence and lack of self-control, too much indulgence in anything, if you love something or someone too much, that can lead you or to that thing or the person in wrong way. So too much, this too much is not good for anyone or anything. Don't be too much indulged, or don't be too much loved, or don't love too much, or don't do anything too much. Don't go beyond too much. That will be helpful for everyone's life. And you should have self-control. If you do not have self-control, that can lead you or anyone to wrong way, to a wrong destination. Anyway, so what happened actually, the events I will tell you. James Harriot, a veterinary doctor, sees Mrs. Pumphrey and her dog Tricky at a street. The doctor met with the dog and with his mistress on a street, and Tricky looks greatly obese and in poor health. He suggests strict diet control and exercise for Tricky. As the vet met with Mrs. Pumphrey and her dog, he saw them, and it was quite clear to him that the dog was very much ill. To see him, he was looking very obese, and he suggested Mrs. Pumphrey to look after the dog and to give him a strict diet and exercise. But what happened? As Tricky was very much loved and pampered by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey did not listen to the advices given by the doctor or the vet properly. She didn't listen. She said rather as she loves chocolate, the dog loves chocolate, and he cannot she cannot stay without giving him chocolates and all he loves, and means this is a sign of overlove. This is a sign of love which will harm. Though she came to know that it will not give him a good health, as she needs exercise, and the dog needs exercise. Mrs. Pumphrey even gave excuses that as the servant, one of the servant was not present who take care of the garden. He was not present. That's why she cannot give the exercises to the dog, ring exercise and all, which was suggested for the dog. So some excuses given by the mistress of Tricky to the vet, but actually these were excuses for her overlove for the dog. Okay, then few days later, what happened? Mrs. Pumphrey informs Harriet that Tricky has taken seriously ill, as she was not obeying the suggestion given by the veterinary. So she was going on her own way with the dog. She informed the doctor that Tricky has become very, very much ill. Then what happened? Harriet came to Mrs. Pumphrey's house, and he get to know everything. He saw everything what was going on there, and Mr. Harriet, the doctor, decided that he would take Tricky to his house for the treatment. So for that, everything was getting ready. Harriet was very much shocked. Shocked means it was a very unlikely scene. Like the dog was so much pampered that all the servants and Mrs. Pumphrey They were crying when the dog was departed from them. All the servants were very busy getting all his things gathered and send it to the doctor's house. All the necessary things, necessary means whatever the dog used to use there in Mrs. Pumphrey's house. Mr. Harriet, the doctor, did not like it because no one should be pampered that much. And for all this pamperedness and all this overlove, the dog is suffering from this bad or ill health. Anyway, so the vet took the dog with him, and they started crying. Mrs. Pamford and all the servants, they started crying when he was departed, when the dog was departed. Then what happened at the surgery, means in the house of the doctor, Chicky, for few days, for first few days, Chicky was not given any food. He was only given water to drink and was given a lot of exercise to do. What happened? For this treatment, without food and a lot of exercise, all the day, the thing was improving. The surgeon, Mr. James Harriet, the vet, was observing Chicky that he was improving day by day. So the thing was right, what was imposed or implied to him. Okay, and he also observed that he has become much more enthusiastic, much more energetic, and he was running with all the other dogs. He became very friendly, and a very healthy situation was created. So this was going on, and the climax came when after a few days he start galing up with other dogs. He enjoys being rolled over and indulge in friendly scrimmages. He became a member of the dog gang. Controlled diet and activities make him active. So this was the climax. Things were going on in this way, and ultimately what happened, he became very active. He was enjoying the whole day with the other dogs. He was improving his health. All the circumstances and all the exercises and all the treatment which were given to Tricky was working greatly, and he became healthy again. This is all about the summary or the story. And when the mistress got back Tricky in a better condition, she called it A Triumph of Surgery. This is how the story is named, A Triumph of Surgery. So when she got back her dog, after 15 days, she got back her dog. Okay, after 15 days, Tricky is completely well. Mrs. Pumphrey takes him back home. So, only it took 15 days and the dog was completely okay. And Mrs. Pumphrey was happy to see her dog in a very good condition. And she was overwhelmed to get back her dog in better condition. So what is the conclusion we have got? The theme we came to know, over love and over anything which is over is not good for our health, and you should have self control. And again, if the mistress start treating her dog in the same way, that will cause a great harm to the dog again. So it should be a message to her as well, and to the society as well, that everything should be in control, and we should have a self-control on ourselves. This is the summary of the story, A Triumph of Surgery, and how the right treatment can lead to a better life. This is all we have come to know. Thank you for watching. I hope you have understood the story. and please read the text today only and try to understand it. And if you face any problem understanding the story or the storyline or the summary, please let me know. Thank you. Have a good day.